Investing in the S&P 500 on Trading 212 is simple and can be done through their stocks and shares platform. Here's how you can get started. Open a Trading 212 account. If you haven't already, download the Trading 212 app or visit the website and sign up for a free account. Complete the verification process by submitting identification documents. Deposit funds. After your account is set up, go to the deposit section to fund your account using bank transfer, credit or debit card, or other payment methods. Search for S&P 500 ETF. Once your account is funded, open the app or website and go to the Invest section. In the search bar, type S&P 500. You will typically find ETFs that track the S&P 500, such as SPY, BOO, or IVV. These are some of the most popular funds that track the S&P 500 index. Select the ETF and invest. Choose the ETF that you prefer. Select Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm the order. Monitor your investment. Once purchased, you can track your investment in the app and make adjustments if needed.